Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's evolve.
So in today's video we will be learning about Hlookup function. Hlookup function is very useful for finding up the values, same as the VLOOKUP function. If you are not aware about VLOOKUP function, you can go through my VLOOKUP video. The link I have pasted in the description below. Please go for that and learn the VLOOKUP function as well. And today we will be learning about Hlookup function. So Hlookup function, what it does, it find out the values which are written in horizontal directions in a table array. Like I have taken a simple example here that some of the items are written here, and I need to find out the amount value of these particular items. So we will be starting with our Hlookup function is equal to Hlookup, bracket opens. Now it is asking me lookup value. So I want to see the amount of the glue, so I will be selecting this particular cell, comma. Now it is asking me the table array, so my table array is right here, and now I have selected my table array, comma. Now in which row this value is mentioned, so my value is mentioned in R2. Yes, we need to count from the table R1, R2, R3 and R4. So the values are written in R2. So I will write here 2, comma. Now it is asking me what I want. Do I want the approximate match or I want the exact match? So I want to see the exact match. After that we will be closing the formula and hit enter. So it is saying that the glue is available at an amount of 50 rupees. So let's just once cross check. Where is glue? The glue is right here and it is mentioned that it is of 50 rupees. So I hope you find this function useful for a daily routine work, and if you have any query regarding this, you can ask me in the comment section below, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe the video.